This tutorial is going to cover putting emojis in your terminal command prompt. Some assumptions for this tutorial are that you already have either a .bash profile, which is used for Macs, or a .bashrc, which is used for Linux, file set up with a PS1 line. And that PS1 line is what determines your command prompt, so what this looks like before which you enter into the terminal. There's a tutorial in this same playlist that tells you how to set up your .bash profile or .bashrc from the very beginning to have some more complicated stuff in it. So this tutorial is being made on a Mac, so I'm going to be doing everything with my .bash profile page or file. So the steps to do this on a Mac are to open your .bash profile in a text editor, and I'm going to use Vim, so I'm going to do vi bash.bash_profile. And this right here is my PS1, which determines what my command prompt looks like. So I'm going to go to where I want to insert the emoji and go into insert mode and do Command Control Space, which is going to open up this emoji picker. And I want to put in this purple heart and then an extra space. So now this purple heart should be in my command prompt. So I'm going to do escape and then :X to close and save. So now if I do source.bashprofile, I have this heart in my command prompt. And that's it. That's all you have to do on a Mac. And on Linux, you would open up the .bashrc in a text editor, and then since there's no way to automatically pull up the an emoji picker on Linux, you would go to the getemoji.com and copy an emoji from there, and then go into the PS line and paste it wherever you want to use it, and then save the file, and then go back to the command line and run source.bashrc. And that's it. Like I mentioned at the beginning, there is another tutorial on the same playlist that talks about how to set up your .bash profile and do things that are a little bit more complicated. For instance, my normal bash profile looks like this. So I have a little bit more things that are a little bit more complicated, and I've edited it so that I have a thumbs up emoji when something correct happens. So my last command was a success, and a frowny face emoji when my last command failed. Like this, how this command isn't really a real command. So I hope that was helpful.